Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to clean this computer after at least 15 years of usage, I think, and then I'm gonna try to use it. So I guess let's get started.
Bruh.
So I think we're gonna redo the thermal paste first. But we're gonna distance first. Yeah, I kind of broke it, but I don't know how to open them. He's ridiculous. That's my brother screaming, if you're asking. Stupid brother. Right now, I think I should be able. Oh, there's a key, right? No, and I just broke a key. That's wonderful. I'm just stupid. But not like my brother. God damn. God damn. Oh, that must be the graphics card. Oh, it's modular. Pro removed the GPU from a laptop and only realizes it's modular after seconds. Strike ping. Finally, there's an SD card. Alright, revealing in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you know what? I don't care. I have an external one. Stupid thing. Inner components. Convention time. Why? Why, Asus? It used to be like Apple. End of convention time. You know what? Let's just do that. You have to break it? That is stupid. I don't know if I'm doing it the correct way. But if so, it's just completely stupid. You ain't gonna resist me. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, kind of. Let's just use it as a desktop. I don't know what I broke. Wait. Just open that. Hey, hard drive. And no, I don't want to put an SSD instead. Never. Bye. I did it. And that's the SSD. HDD. Terrible laptop. Just terrible. I'm just gonna break that. I'm gonna use it as desktop because I basically broke it from every angle. Yeah, I really broke it. There you go. That's the model. Now let's put some thermal paste. The maps. It's impossible to repair. So yeah. Now I'm gonna try booting it up. I'm gonna use VGA because I might have broken I might have break something. The Wi-Fi card is broken. I don't have the correct input. I'm just gonna use this screen's one. Will it fit? No, it won't. Dang it. I hope it works. This video is a dead end. I'm just sorry I don't have the correct input. Can't do anything else. I'm just gonna keep the RAM, the hard drive, free it, install Windows, usual stuff. Gonna keep the modular thing. Gonna keep the CPU if it's removable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Before I say bye, just remember, I really want to do a Q&A, so please ask all of your questions in the last 3 videos. Comments, including this one. So yeah, bye.